How to add a new bank card to Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add a new bank card to your Binance account. So let's just get right into it. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Binance. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to head over to the wallet section at the top right corner. Tap on it. And from here, you want to go over to your deposits. So you can go to my wallet, tap on more. Then from there, you have an option to receive funds. Go ahead and tap on receive. Then you have an option to select buy with card. So you can easily buy crypto via a card, Apple Pay or Google Pay. Tap on it. Then you can select your address, what you want to buy. So I'll just go ahead and select USDT for now. You can select your network. I'll go over with BNB Smart Chain and tap on it. Then you'll be processed to a next step where you have an option to add your card. So select the amount right here, then tap on pay with card. Select what kind of card you want. If you see an existing card, you'll see an option to add a card here. Tap on confirm and tap on continue. So here is the minimum amount of BNB required. Then just go ahead and tap on continue. From here, you can easily add your card number, your expiration date, and CVC code, then your billing address, and tap on confirm at the bottom, and you're going to be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.